So, hello everyone, Pappu. Today in this video, I'll try to share with you Google as very important part of Google SaaS partners actually. So, actually, why you should stop Google SaaS partner? We will discuss about our topic. So, first of all, are you wasting money on Google Ads without even knowing it? Let me show you how. So first of all, actually, what is issue Google SaaS partner? When you create a SaaS campaign in Google Ads, by default Google enables something called SaaS partner. Most people don't even know this option. So what does it do? It shows your ads on random partner website and search engine that are not Google. And the problems. Okay, these clicks are usually low quality, irrelevant, and cost your money without real result. You will be see your ad spending, you are receiving the unwanted unrelevant actually clicks and waste your money. Actually, when creating or editing your campaign, then need to the actually off this staff partner section. So let's see actually how can I do this. So first of all, we need to go to the campaign settings. Then we need to go to the network section. You can see the network. You can see. Then we can see this is the SaaS network. This is the display network. I already am selected. Okay, so if you actually check SaaS network or display network, then try to this one like uncheck including Google SaaS partner. This way your ads only appear on the main Google SaaS result where people have to stronger intent to buy. Okay. So if you want higher quality clicks and better ROI from your Google ads, stop using SaaS partner today and then your budget will be say thank and this way if you follow, then I hope that cost will be maintained on your hand and you will be receive the good result. Okay, so till then, take care. If you think this video is good for you, then you try to share it. And also, if you need any help and if you have any question, you can feel free contact with me. This contact link easily. So don't be late. Feel free message me. I'll try to help you for that. Till then, take care. See you in another video. Bye bye.